Namaskaram. You would have all seen our video where we spoke about the benefits of peanuts, and here we are where we are going to learn 3 simple peanut recipes. Let's start with the first one, which is the banana peanut smoothie, which is my personal favorite and is so easy that even an 8-year-old can do. Here are the simple ingredients you will need. Ripe banana, groundnuts that I soaked overnight for 6 to 8 hours, about a handful or 2 small bowls. Also some water to blend. Now let's see how to prepare. Add banana, groundnuts and a pinch of cardamom powder if you wish into the blender. Add some water and blend until it is smooth. Now in your smoothie, you can add some chopped almonds or any other nuts that you wish. And if you want it a little more sweet, you can also add some honey. Now your smoothie is ready and you can enjoy your Pranic protein drink. We will now look at the second recipe, which is the beetroot peanut salad. Here are the ingredients you will need. Finely grated beetroot, soaked groundnut, freshly grated coconut, black pepper powder, salt, finely chopped coriander leaves and lemon. Now let's see how to do it. Add the grated beetroot to a bowl. If you want the salad with less liquid, you can remove the water from the grated beetroot by lightly squeezing using a muslin cloth. You can use that juice later in juices or salad dressings. Now add the soaked groundnut and the coconut to the beetroot. You can now add half a teaspoon of pepper powder and also half a teaspoon of salt. Here I have used black salt. And you can add this according to your taste. Next, I've added the seasoning. To do this, heat the oil in a pan. Add the mustard seeds, Bengal gram, black gram and curry leaves. Saute on medium heat, and when the gram begins to change color, remove from heat and add this to the salad. Mix well together. Now you can add the lemon juice to the salad and garnish with chopped coriander leaves and serve immediately. Now the third recipe that we'll be learning is the Ashgard peanut salad, which is known to be highly positive pranic. Here are the ingredients you will need. Ashgard, tomato, capsicum, soaked groundnuts, freshly grated coconut, black pepper powder, salt, freshly grated ginger, freshly chopped coriander leaves and lemon. We will see how to prepare. First add finely chopped Ashgard into a mixing bowl. Then add capsicum, tomato, soaked groundnuts and some freshly grated coconut. Now you can add half a teaspoon of black pepper powder, half a teaspoon of salt. Here I am using black salt. You can add it according to your taste. And then add freshly grated ginger. Next I added the seasoning and mix well together. Now squeeze some lemon juice and add freshly chopped coriander leaves to the salad and mix everything together. Now your Ashgard peanut salad is ready. And if you want more videos on such topics, send us a hi on WhatsApp on this number and stay in touch with us directly.